So one thing God has been teaching me over summer project is just to trust Him more. Coming into project, even on the drive up here, I was so unsure about what I was doing. But it's been really cool to see how God has been able to work through project to change that. Just to show me how much I need to be putting my trust in Him and how important that is, and how He provides for absolutely everything. He will provide your support for you. He will provide with arrangements of getting transportation to and from project, and just being able to spend your summer here, which I didn't think I was going to be able to do, but God provides in really amazing ways when you put your trust in Him. So I want to invite anyone watching this, everyone really, to apply for project and to come, especially to come to Hampton Beach. It is going to challenge you in amazing ways and help you to grow in your faith and just get closer to God, and help you to step outside your comfort zone a little bit, and He'll do absolutely amazing things in you through this project. So it's an absolutely amazing experience. There's nothing else like it. I know that everyone says that it's life-changing, but it really, really is, so everyone definitely should apply.
Love's like a hurricane, I am a tree bending